Let's see how we can convert degree measurement into radian measurement. Okay. Now basically, you know, one full circle is how many degrees? One full circle is 360 degrees. And one full circle is how many radians? One full circle is 2 pi radians. Is that okay? Now, if I divide by 2 both sides, I get 180 degrees is equal to pi radians. Is that okay? Let me write radians as RAD. Okay, now 1 degree is how much? For getting 1 degree, I should divide by 180. So I get pi over 180. Is that okay? Degree. This is in radians. So let's try to convert some degrees to radians. Let's say we have 60 degrees. 60 degrees is equal to how many radians? To get radians from degrees, we got to multiply by pi over 180. So what do? We do 60 degrees times pi over 180 degrees. You know, pi is in radians, 180 and 60 are in degrees, so degrees cancel out and we are left with pi in radians. So our answer is in radians. Okay, so let's try to simplify this fraction. So 60 divided by 10, we are left with 6 divided by this, and 6 divided by 6 is 1, and this gives me 3. Therefore, I get 60 degree is equals to pi over 3. Correct? You can try 30 degrees equals to how many radians? Okay, now let's try 150 degrees equals to how many radians? So what will you do? Same procedure. So this time let's do 150 times pi divided by 180. So we have 150 degrees times pi over 180. Correct. So we can simplify it, and once we do that, we're left with this, and both can be divided by 3. So 3 times 5 as 15, and 3 times 6 as 18. So we get this equals to 5 pi by 6. 6 radians, correct? Let me write radians. You can try 220 degrees, right? Like that, you can try your answer. These answers which I am writing, they are in exact values in terms of pi. Correct? Pi is approximately 3.14 if you want to use to 2 decimal places. Otherwise, we have pi on the calculator also. So if you want to get answer to 1 decimal place or 2 decimal place or 4 decimal places, you can use calculator. Let's calculate what 5 pi by 6 is. So what we'll do is we'll use calculator and say 5 times pi equals to divided by 6, and then say equals to, and we can change it to decimal places, and this gives us answer of 2.61799. If we need to round it to 4 decimal places, then approximately how much is it? So we'll round it to this and say it is 2.6180 radians. Do you see that? So 150 degrees is 2.6180 radians. Okay. So at times you may be expected to write down the answer to decimal places. In that case, use this. Use your calculator, round it to the required decimal places, right? Now, as an exercise, you can try and convert 107 degrees to 2 decimal places. And you can do 300 degrees to 4 decimal places. And you can do 50 degrees exact value. When I say exact value, it means you're expected to write in terms of pi. And how will you convert degrees to radians? You have to multiply by pi over 180. Okay? Simple. Thank you.